Hello! In this Rapid Profit Machine review, we're going to talk about what is RPM, how you can join for free, get leads for free, and earn commissions, all with a free account. So welcome to my channel. If you're new here, please click that subscribe button and like this video if you find it helpful. So let's jump right in. Rapid Profit Machine is an online system from James-Neville Taylor. Here, this is the page where you can join. I'll leave a link in the description box below. So if you want to get started, please use that link. I appreciate that. And then you can certainly go through and watch the video. But yeah, you can create a free RPM system. And they're, as with most things, they have a free opportunity, and then they do have some paid levels as well. But you truly can get started completely for free and earn commissions and get leads, all at that free level. So, so if you do decide to join, when you click the Join Now, get your free RPM system, it's going to take you over to the checkout page here on Warrior Plus, and as you can see, it is free. And so you just click to get your free access. So that is how you get started. Now, once you get started, you're going to get your account set up, and when you log in to your Rapid Profit Machine account, you'll be on the home page, and you basically just need to go through these simple 5 steps. They have videos. They're only about a couple minutes each that take you through each step to get this set up. And basically, it's going to allow you to start earning commissions. And so the first thing they're going to have you do is enter in your Warrior Plus ID, so you can earn commissions from Warrior Plus when people purchase things. They do have a Builderall affiliate link you can put in here, so you can create a Builderall affiliate ID and enter that in. And then they're going to talk about how to get traffic, both free traffic and paid traffic. And then your next steps are really going to take you over here to your training and product access. And so that's where this is. And so when you go to this training area, so after you finish the first 5 steps, as you can see, this is a 4-minute video. He walks you right through. You put your ID in. You go to the next step. So it only takes less than half an hour to get this system set up. You only do it one time, and then you're good to go. And then your next steps is to go into this training area. And so you just go through, watch the welcome video, and then you have the option of using either Builderall, which is a fine system. I don't use it personally, but it is a system that you can use to create pages as an email autoresponder, etc. I use Aweber, okay? And so you just, whichever system you're going to use for your email marketing, you just follow that lesson to get it connected, because you're going to get free traffic, and that's what these last 2 lessons are. So claim your free traffic step 1, you watch the video. Claim your free traffic step 2, watch the video. And I think, if I remember correctly, these are just like introducing yourself in the Facebook group. So joining the Facebook group, saying, hello, here I am. Here's my name. Here's why I'm part of the group. And then the second is to create one of the short form videos, either on TikTok, you can do it on Instagram, or you can do it on YouTube or on Facebook. I did mine on YouTube. And then when you submit your URL, showing that you introduced yourself in the Facebook group and that you made one short form video, once you submit that information, then you're going to start getting access to free leads. And I'll go over those in just a second. Now, the rest of this training kind of depends on if you've purchased them or not. I'm sorry, there's actually more free training here, so sorry about that. And this is about affiliate marketing, fairly basic, but also really good information. And so you certainly would want to go through this. Some mindset information, which is always good. Facebook organic traffic, which don't overlook this. This can be very, very helpful. So certainly go through the Facebook organic traffic methods. And then using solo ads, which can be very effective if used correctly. And then finally, how to do email marketing. Because that's really what a lot of this boils down to, is having success through marketing with email. And then these are paid options, from kind of lower cost to higher cost. So those are optional. I did purchase this one. And so I have access, if you want access to additional traffic methods, these are good content here This is, I think, just a $7, so it's very cheap to get some extra traffic. Now you can join RPM Pro, which I believe is $30 a month, and that brings your commissions, it doubles your commissions. I think it goes from 25% to 50%, so that's an option if you want to go that route. And then this is kind of a done-for-you service they offer, a turbocharger to get things going faster, and then this is their high-ticket MAB. So, and these are all optional. Now, with a lot of these free type of systems like RPM, what I suggest, what I'm doing, and what I would suggest for you as well, is start for free. Maybe go ahead and get the secret traffic sources so you have some additional traffic training that's available. And as you start to make money, then if you want to upgrade, you certainly can. All right, so that's the training. And it's all very good training. And this is all part of the free, again, except for this traffic, which is $7. They have some promo materials. Let's take a look at that. So, you know, some images, if you want to use those on social media, on your websites. They have some banner ads that you can use on your websites. And then some email swipes. So if you need some emails to kind of help get your email marketing kick-started, then you get access to some email swipes. And this, again, is all as a free member. Next, they do have some included funnels. So let's take a look at those. They have some capture pages, which are just, you know, opt-in pages. And they recommend, you know, for your free traffic that you use this, which is very high converting. As you can see, they've sent me 75 people. I haven't done this. You know, this is the free traffic I'm getting from Rapid Profit Machine. They've sent 75 people so far, and it's converted at a, you know, 1 out of 3 people basically are putting their email in. Okay, so that's nice. They have some other opt-in pages that you can use as well, so you can take a look at those. They have some VSLs, video sales letters. If you want to send people directly to those, you certainly can, and then a webinar as well. And then you can earn commissions when sales are made from traffic going to any of these options. The last thing we're going to look at is the leads. So as you can see, I've gotten 39 total leads. Now they have, as we saw on the funnel page, I've gotten 25 of them from the free traffic, and then I've gotten you know, the additional from either my own email marketing here on YouTube or other places. So but they do send you free leads, which is pretty cool. And you can see, you know, here it is on the 9th, I got 2 leads. On the 8th, I got 4 leads. I got another 2 leads on the 7th. So they come in pretty consistently. And again, these are free. You don't need to do anything. Now, you know, the other question then is, do these leads convert? And yeah, they do, right? So that's, you can see in this last column, if they've converted to a member or not, okay? And so I think, you know, my 39 leads, I have 11 members right now. And so again, about 1 out of 4 are converting, these free leads are converting into a member of RPM. And then they give you email messages to send out through either Builderall or Aweber. And those emails will help people upgrade and also make additional purchases. So they do have some, you know, solo ad traffic that you can buy. They have contests that you can take a look at. And again, this is their high ticket. So, but the bottom line, it's a great system where you can get some really good training as a free member. You can get leads, free leads as a free member. You can earn 25% commissions as a free member. And becoming a member, you're automatically approved for all the products that they promote. If you want to be a pro and pay $30 a month, then your commission rate goes from 25% up to 50%. So that's always something to think about if you're ready to do that. But it's kind of a no-brainer. Free system, some really good free training, and you get free leads that will convert. As you saw, about 1 out of 4 are converting. So I hope you found this helpful. If you have any questions at all, this is a real text number up above, so send me a text. I'll be happy to answer your questions. And if you do want to get started with Rapid Profit Machine, then just see the link in the description box down below. Just create a free account and let me know if there's anything I can do to help. Please like the video and subscribe so you can get updated as more videos come out. Thanks so much.